Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best air humidifier reviews. Features 1. This bedroom humidifier features sound-activated technology that synchronizes the lighting and mist rhythm to music or voices. With 20 color light modes, it creates a dynamic audio-visual atmosphere. 2. Equipped with 5 atomization nozzles, our cool mist humidifier generates powerful yet fine mist that evenly combats dryness in air-conditioned rooms and bedrooms.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.